Meaning of frolic.
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 Frolic. Frolic means to play or engage in lively, carefree activity. It is often associated with joyful and energetic behavior, such as skipping, dancing, or laughing. When someone is frolicking, they are not necessarily focused on achieving a specific goal or completing a task, but rather enjoying the moment and having fun. Frolicking can be a great way to relieve stress and bring joy to one's life. Overall, frolicking is a positive and playful activity that adds a sense of lightheartedness to everyday life.